Do you remember when Visa cards first came out? You were used to paying with cash or with a check, and then a Visa came out. It was this weird payment system that you didn't understand. And she said, yeah, I remember that. Well, Bitcoin is just the next evolution of another payment system.
Brace yourself, Nakamoto was the foundation. Guys, it's your boy Nakamoto Crypto here, and today, we have reached 10 subscribers, guys. Thank you to all of my 10 subs, guys. Big up to you all. Now let us get it to 20 subs, guys. Big up to everybody that's tuned in. On that note, let's get into it. Today, Bitcoin price falls more than 8% as the crypto market sees red. Bitcoin price dropped more than 8% today, approaching the $9,000 level as the digital currency market suffered a widespread loss. The world's most prominent cryptocurrency fell as little as $9,108. At this rate, it has declined more than 8.5% in less than 24 hours, after rising to $9,962. So we almost hit 10K. Some even say that we've even hit 10K on BitMEX, and then we retrace right back into the same game, right under $10,000. What's going on? Somebody's suppressing the price? We don't know. Is it the stock market? It's crazy because during the same day, at the same time Bitcoin was dropping, the S&P 500 and all those index funds and your global stock market has also fallen down 7%, guys. Is Bitcoin correlated with the stock market? It seems so, because every time there is a big sale, we seem to be headed downwards. It's like people are dumping their fiat. People are selling off their fiat stocks and holdings and their Bitcoin positions at the same time. That's what it seems like. Or because of the crypto market's craziness, it could be manipulation, market manipulation, or somebody's just dumping on us, guys. This crypto market is insane. It has its ups, but it also has its downs. It can go down just as fast as it went up. Next up, we got 80% of US and European institutional investors find that cryptocurrency is appealing, guys. Now here's some positive news. A new survey of about 800 institutional investors in the US and Europe itself shows strong cryptocurrency adoption, particularly Bitcoin. About 80% of institutions said they find cryptocurrency appealing, and 60% believe cryptocurrencies have a place in their portfolios. This is the big institutional guys speaking. Fidelity Digital Assets, the cryptocurrency arm of Fidelity Investments, announced on Tuesday the results of a survey to better understand institutional interest and adoption of cryptocurrencies, as well as key barriers to investing in them. It was conducted from November 19 to March 2020. Fidelity Digital Assets offer a full-service enterprise-grade platform for securing, trading, and supporting cryptocurrencies. So a total of 774 institutional investors participated in that survey, 393 of which were in the US, while 381 were in Europe. Respondents include financial advisors, family offices, pensions, crypto and traditional hedge funds, high net worth investors, endowments, and foundations. This is the second consecutive year Fidelity has surveyed U.S. institutions, but is the first time it surveyed European investors, according to the results. This is crazy. Fidelity has been going on about this for a while now. They are testing the waters, they are testing the markets, they are testing people's knowledge on crypto. They are touching the institutions. Back in 2017, 2018, this is what we were dreaming about. Institutions getting in, institutions getting in. Institutional money did not touch the market in 2017. It was just money that was pretty much already circulating that people started to buy and hold and ride the wave, learning that Bitcoin was going up. Now, we had some exposure back then. In the news, people were talking a little bit about Bitcoin, how it jumped up to 19,000 and it's crazy, this is crazy gains, and some people started to get in, but nobody fully understood this technology. Nobody fully understood what Bitcoin and cryptocurrency could do back then. But ever since we started dipping, in early 2018, almost every single day you hear news of institutionals buying Bitcoin and crypto on the down low, doing surveys, asking people whether or not they have heard of this technology. They want to know what's inside people's heads. They want to know whether people can put their money in here so they can urge them and create all of these platforms to get people invested in, get going. Just yesterday we talked about crypto retirement funds that they're doing right now. And now this is Fidelity Digital Assets getting into the game, bringing in almost billions of dollars into this crypto market, guys. Imagine the amount of people who are gonna get exposed into the market once this is up and running. Slowly, the institutions are getting into this. Next up, we got Bitcoin exchanges bans Bank of Venezuela citing U.S. sanctions. Peer-to-peer Bitcoin exchange Paxful has sent a notice to its customers that it will no longer allow trades using Venezuela's largest bank due to Trump's sanctions. P2P Bitcoin exchange has banned transactions made with the state-owned Bank of Venezuela. The move comes as a result of OFAC sanction against the country. Other P2P exchanges such as Local Bitcoins and Binance have not yet disallowed such trades, guys. This is really sad. Paxful was a big player in the crypto game in Venezuela. As you guys don't know, Venezuela has been blacklisted by the US for a long time now because of Nicolas Maduro and what those politicians have done to the currency itself, and it is affecting their money high and mighty. I mean, this year alone we are witnessing over 2,296% inflation rate in the Venezuelan bolivar. This is amazing. Their money is pretty much worth zero. People are buying loaves of bread in Venezuela for like 10,000 bolivars, which is equivalent to $2. This is crazy. This is insane. The people of Venezuela are waking up. They have been finding alternative ways to trade Bitcoin and crypto. Now, Local Bitcoin is still trading there, which is good news for them. And also Binance is still open for trades in Venezuela because people have been using Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies in Venezuela. I hear Dash is very popular there, that they have been using Dash to do their peer-to-peer transactions and get people to use it on their phones and whatnot to buy things to survive. Because if you block people, they will find other means to survive. People are survivors. And what is going on in Venezuela is crazy. People will rise from the ashes. They will find alternative ways to spend their money, guys. Next up, we got the Billionaires Club is growing again. The Bitcoin Billionaire Club is growing again. While the number of addresses holding more than 100 Bitcoin is down since March, it's starting to pick up again as it nears 10,000 wallets, guys. Imagine, this is crazy. 10,000 people are holding 100 Bitcoin or more in their wallets. And that number is increasing every day. So the number of Bitcoin addresses holding more than 100 Bitcoin has increased by 43 in the last 5 days alone, breaking above 15,950. So at current values, 100 Bitcoin is worth $970,000. Imagine people putting $1 million into this market right now. That could literally make you a billionaire during the next bull run alone. You don't even have to wait for the next halving. Just the next bull run can make you how much money if this Bitcoin price right now just 100x. So for context, this number doesn't necessarily mean that there are just shy of 16,000 Bitcoin millionaires. It's a measure of how many Bitcoin wallets hold a minimum of this amount. Many of the wallets are likely owned by exchanges which pool their funds together, guys. This is amazing. While people are sleeping, this is what they were talking about, Goldman Sachs and all of these guys. Institutions are buying Bitcoin behind closed doors. Every single day, wallets holding 1,000 Bitcoin has been increasing. Wallets holding 100 Bitcoin has been increasing. I'm asking, what is the wallets holding 1 Bitcoin doing? It has been increasing too. What is the wallets holding a half a Bitcoin been doing? They have been increasing. People have been accumulating. And Bitcoin is so scarce right now. There have been reports that it's not 18 million circulating right now. Amongst that 18 million that has been circulating, 4 or 5 of them are lost forever. People have been losing their keys, private keys and all of that. And that increases the price. As sad as it is, that is crazy. It makes the coin pretty much more scarce and rare. So we are early in this game. Imagine how scarce this coin is gonna be after the halving of 2024. 4 years from now, we're gonna be looking back at this video like, wow, there was a $9,000 Bitcoin at some level, and look at us now. And on that note, if you like the content, guys, please leave a like, share, comment, subscribe. As always, I've been your boy Nakamoto Crypto, and I'm out. Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $8,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin under $5,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $10,000.
Buy it.
Bitcoin is over $20,000.
Buy it.
Best performing asset in the last 10 years. True. Look into crypto, we need volunteers. No need to tiptoe, it won't disappear. Do your research, history made it clear.